Are you tired of endlessly searching for that one perfect pool float that doesn't deflate in 5 minutes? Well, your search ends today, because we're counting down the top 4 best pool floats for adults in 2025. Well, I've spent the past few weeks rigorously testing, and I mean really putting them through their paces, some of the most popular and best-selling pool floats on the market. I'm going to give you my honest, no-holds-barred opinion on each one, so you can make the perfect choice for your summer. So grab a drink, get comfortable, and let's get into the top 4 pool floats for adults. 4. SLOOSH Inflatable Pool Float. Now, when I first saw this one, I was immediately drawn to its sheer size. It's marketed as a tanning pool lounger, and they are not kidding about the pool part. It's massive, an extra large 85 by 57 inches, which means you have more than enough room to stretch out completely. You can even fill it with a bit of water to create your own personal mini pool, which is a pretty neat idea for those super hot days when you want to stay cool while tanning. It also comes with a removable headrest and 2 cup holders, which are always a welcome feature in my book. I mean, who doesn't love having their beverage right there with them? When I first got it inflated, I was genuinely impressed by the space. You could probably fit 2 people on here if you wanted to get cozy. The idea of the tanning tub is also quite unique. Lying in a shallow bit of cool water while you sunbathe is, I have to admit, a very luxurious feeling. The ribbed air cushion base is also surprisingly comfortable. It's not just a flat surface, it has some texture to it that provides a bit of extra support, which I appreciated. For someone who just wants a massive, stable platform to lounge on, the SLOOSH float definitely delivers on that front. It feels like your own private island in the middle of the pool. 3. Stonful Inflatable Pool Float. This one is interesting because it typically comes as a 2-pack, which is great value right off the bat. What really makes the Stonful float stand out is its 4-in-1 design. You can use it as a hammock, a lounge chair, a drifter, or even an exercise saddle. I was really intrigued by this versatility. The design is essentially 2 inflatable pillows, one for your head and one for your feet, connected by a supportive mesh lining. This design lets you be partially submerged in the water, which is my absolute favorite way to float. It keeps you cool while you still get the full floating experience. I have to say, the hammock style is incredibly comfortable. It cradles your body perfectly, and the mesh allows just the right amount of water to flow over you. It's a very relaxing and serene feeling. I also tried it out as a lounge chair, and it works surprisingly well. You can sit up and chat with people, have a drink, and still be comfortably in the water. The material feels decent, and the 2 floats in the pack had these really nice vibrant prints, one with red flowers and the other with green leaves, that add a nice pop of color to the pool. For the price of a 2-pack, the versatility and comfort you get are pretty impressive. But, there's a reason it's at number 4. Similar to the SLOOSH float, my main issue came down to durability, specifically with the valves. 2. Jasonwell Inflatable Pool Float. This one is more of a traditional lounger, but with some excellent premium features that really elevate the experience. The first thing I noticed about this float is the material. It's made from a heavy-duty, raft-grade vinyl that just feels thick and durable in your hands. You can tell right away that this float is built to last, which is a huge plus. It's a floating chair design with a high adjustable backrest, a comfortable seat, and, crucially, 2 cup holders. Let me tell you, the comfort level on this thing is off the charts. The adjustable backrest is a game changer. You can set it to be more upright for socializing or recline it further back for some serious sunbathing and napping. The support it gives your back is fantastic. I spent a solid 2 hours in this float just reading a book and sipping a cold drink, and I didn't feel the need to readjust or get out once. The seat is also designed to be slightly submerged, so you get that perfect balance of staying cool while being fully supported. It's just an incredibly well thought out design for pure relaxation. The inflation and deflation process is also super easy thanks to its fast valves, You can use a pump and have it ready to go in just a few minutes, and it deflates just as quickly, making it easy to pack up and store. The stability is also top-notch. 1. Aqua Campania Ultimate Pool Float. This float, you guys, is in a league of its own. It perfectly blends luxurious comfort, smart design, and excellent durability. It's a 2-in-1 recliner and lounger, but the way it executes this is simply flawless. It features an adjustable, cushioned backrest that you can position upright for sitting or fold down completely flat for a more traditional on-your-stomach or back lounging experience. What truly sets the Aqua Campania apart is the material. The seating area is covered in a soft, cool weave mesh fabric that is incredibly comfortable against your skin. This fabric allows a small amount of water through, keeping you perfectly cool without being fully submerged. It's a sensation that is just sublime. The oversized tubing provides incredible support for your whole body, from your head to your feet. It's like floating on a cloud. I've genuinely fallen asleep on this float multiple times. It's that comfortable. The features are also a step above the rest. It has a built-in accessory caddy on the side that includes 2 beverage holders. And unlike some flimsy cup holders, these are sturdy and reliable. The float also has handles, making it easy to carry or tie off to a dock. The inflation system is also fantastic, with a duo-lock system that makes it quick to inflate and deflate. But the real star is just the overall feeling of quality. Everything from the stitching on the fabric to the thickness of the vinyl screams premium. It feels like a high-end piece of pool furniture, not just a pool toy. Final thought, that's all for today, folks.